you for the blood on Calvary's tree. Oh, we are redeemed. We are redeemed. Oh, hallelujah. Woku nyamie kwama ditiu mikra ofi enti medawasi odoke siao iwoka Wotoke siawo iwoka inti mi frima kume mi shenia waya esesemi dawasio
ya say dene yenya emranimfo a won akwadare wo emranimu a poto kasa mu ye kasa a lawyer fo entimi nuanom momyemfa yi immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo WISEMART solicitors emranimu akukudrofo se watena ha che ombeboa wo ma wonsa ka won krata na se wedi edro nso a eyom kokokra eba ne nipa setena mu eni adwuma mu nsem bia omudi mu akotene pa omo wo mre di mani pa bia WISEMART solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
WISEMART solicitors also dealt with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. WISEMART solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. WISEMART Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahini fuchiniye ebidi de biye.
For Abraso, Michechamo, this is DJ KB, Top Online Radio UK. It's time for Enkrata Sem. I'm Abraso, say Busia Enkrata Sem, and then Ransom. This is Top Online Radio UK. Senior Munimono every Wednesday, about 9 p.m. UK time. The anonymous say Abraso say you sing Kunyana share. I share Petatakram, you say Ransom, the legal world, and a DNA code, DNA bar. I update Ben Abba. I say minumi ni hu. Senior Ekano. I bruching krata sem de. I bako enko nya bako. Say utukwaina. I ma on krata sem won hia dia ene one sena would dig your own grave. Senior wa winim no emre ko emre bese ni nyina na enema esesa. Enema esesa. Enti so Babruchia are dear decan pies when you call your own crata sem. And also Tina WISEMART Solicitors. I almost say or more you most was say a bribia or more beba na omenigana for a bidding como. Oh, if it is so Top Online Radio UK na near court near bar. You could she call Bremai Ewon crata sem name ransom or near Mabeche. I don't see any program me a diaba. Intimisraw, sending a debia no. Obaswa no ahye na oyonko Ghana ni bi so ono so atimi abeti bi mo amodi kan ba medam ase pa I'm Mr. Kwaku Adu na akusua tiwa Kelvin Asamoah Urama Victoria Mensa Ochri wow Sofia Edusei hey mama Sofia Edusei I'm having him dia all I know so Akwaba, Mr. Monshe na Obiso Intimi NTB because Emransem de Inyapa, especially in Kratasem. We are streaming live on Facebook and YouTube. Senator Biakano and NCBI, we have started test transmission on TikTok, but we will roll it out very soon and we will let you know. And Minsa Bernaminfa Lawyer Francis, WISEMART Solicitors na yenshe Dumadiana say. Mr. This is 1 hour, free legal hour. I ubetimi afre na enkrata sembia echirwadwene bia question bia pankrata semo sefa wa ho sefu obi ho ofra ehia so obebo udin. Because ubi anya interest obi ho enkrata semo. Ude ofra, you don't have to mention your name. I not say yankrata sem memransem say efa a topic you ho announce emfa ho kra no betimi afra no ebisa. We have 1 hour free legal consultation. Mpacho say your pon dia nesa uhia lawyer dia enye free. You have to book appointment for consultation. Now kwa ukutia consultation fee. Na lawyer I want to say. But so open free legal consultation there. It is now. The number on your screen is and I'll be to my friend no be question 0208 133 5876. That is 0208 133 5876. And so we'll share on Facebook also. I'll be to me type your question in the Facebook comment section. Na and so make na lawyer eji ano amount. And that topic no ehia pa Dependents of health and care worker visa holders. Dependents of health and care visa holders. Health and care ya abasui. I so we dependent on ubi or no kuta sa visa na no ho nkomo na ye betinti yen hye so. Right, me follow Yamrani and Shasia. Lawyer Francis, WISEMART solicitors. Pacho apom to saying. Now WISEMART, dear Nekoso.
Yo, Midasi, good evening, DJ KB. And good evening to ATA for top online platform, Bebia Ubia, in Chiaka free WISEMART solicitors, assure ye, Ebremo, said so. On the 13th of September 2023. The stress that any day we cry and no share so ama in San Wajuma ye koyeba edi mu. Yo, WISEMART assure ye Nchiakasi if we ho ebro DJ KB anywhere here for ne etie for nyina. Bibia da ne kwan so pepepe.
Yo, me da say lawyer, I the nyamia se bibia eda na kwan mu. Na yen sha se no so da bia no ya ne pese hwe legal world ho update bia aba esese yehunu ahweye bi kokobo bi abo ho no ma da bia mse sa na ye share program na se. The lawyer Francis we there ka aba boy say update bi aba legal world ho no ma nkrata asem mo ne mranse mu opese one Ghana for a channel numera a quanda ho, Medasi.
Yo, Mr. Medasi, DJ KB. Your update, send a daddy then no. When it comes to immigration bait now, say send a new Mexican updates in but yeah, so yeah, 2 year more as he was the baby piano, Yabema, ye for Aya, where provided say far or more because they do any in the fire, but yeah, feel say a community, no, they need such information to survive in UK here in terms of immigration issues. Any other issues I feel say yeah good or a beboa your community your woman. Yo, may start with visa processing times, applications outside. Changes in share that might be, but may bomb about say Okofa obi free amanone eba the sort of decision and our processing time no send the city any visit basis standard ones permitted paid engagement marriage visitor transit within 3 weeks processing time but yeah cap when we to be determine say time best start a year time wako ako or biometrics ɛwɔ GWF Global Web anaasɛ TLS Contact Center no wakɔbɔ nsa that time no ɛna home office ɛbɛ starting decision processing nti wayɛ application no na wonya wakɔbɔ nsa no a wontumi nkan 3 weeks no.
Okay.
3 weeks no bɛ start say bi our appointment na duru hɔ na wɔkɔ no. And no, I'm a busy sharing so. Rebecca said, oh, Lord, my application, not check. Yes, there be. Took a bomb, son, one number started, I'm making decision. Yo, a first students one, so no, apply from outside within 3 weeks, child student 3 weeks. And partner or spouse, entry clearance as a planner, about 24 weeks. Until hopefully, no. On my culture, say within 12 to 24 weeks, but a big band them and a parent and child so outside 24 weeks. Yo, young sharp processing working skilled worker, health and care worker, and also apply from outside within 3 weeks after enrollment, I was saying a decision.
Okay.
And yeah, share other businesses, visas, innovator, startup, global talent, Mobim, UK Ancestry, high individual visa and overseas domestic worker, graduate trainee, secondment worker, service supplier, UK expansion worker, processing time no 3 weeks after enrollment of biometrics. Minister of Religion, scale up worker within 3 weeks. There are a situation it goes beyond 3 weeks. What are the situations? Ebini saying the information in your application is not accurate or require further consideration. Inti no bema delays kakraba. And now say you need to provide further evidence, for example, evidence of funds, and also mama delay kakraba. Your supporting documents needs to be verified. Mebamucho yen share handsome. A name of his documents be a divekobia no mun dan ko check it or mun cross check it. Mama yen fan say ya adwemu say omo documents bia na edikobia no mun check it. That's the reason why at times checking no bema with decision or a delay. And if they feel say there is a need for you to attend an interview, and also no bema decision time no check. And further information is required on your personal circumstance. Being example, if you have a criminal conviction. Indeed, these are the things a bit to me our application come more than the standard waiting time, and only by somewhere on the 8th of September, just last week. And I'm more updating on my system. Another update I also by last week, that was on the 7th of September 2023. And only Home Office statement of changes via omode buy omode echo Parliament for approval. A statement of change in a year HC 1780, which was presented to Parliament on the 7th September 2023. Mommy explained that bit, MIT for any aware about what's the meaning of statement of changes in immigration rules. When it comes certain, and only Home Secretary to me, dear man, say, or feel say, or say, yes, I am immigration need to or at any time biano I was so they call down Parliament. Into when it comes to statement of changes a procedure was secretary so now so full same maybe I was so the bar now or the aqua down Parliament na Parliament to na baba yemra. Indeed, that's the meaning of statement of changes. Because the lawyer and I say in Chabiano di bibaye. And no the enfahu. At any time, and the yano or di biba last week 7th, obey to me as I see sana doing as I did and then being 13th. And I say free now. Boa I'm letting me control immigration. Bibia and sin quite say more farmer. Into at any time, Secretary of State for Home Department, bet to me I accord in Parliament. And at any time our Parliament ever dear to muno, abayembra. And immigration is the fastest route a year not be changes ever tembia.
Right.
The fastest law, the fastest rules are tembiano not changes ever wa. And we are always abreast and we always try to update ourselves in terms of any changes a year ever. Yen share changes are aba omo edikodan Parliament. First one, the me pese yes share any efa EU in Sensemia Corso. Omo introduce you just 7th of September. No, say Appendix EU is also being amended in line with the existing policies. That where limited leave has already been granted under Appendix EU to a dependent parent child, then dependency does not need to be evidenced again in further applications. Yo, you bet me I can say a good news. The anti-American is say the American kind no say your amount 5 years and now see amount leave to remain pre-settled under the EU settlement scheme now in this EU now depending on parents and now say we a dependent parent, we a dependent child. Changes already ban say who could renew for indefinite. You don't need to demonstrate the dependency again.
Lawyer, I'm say news to me. Enti beso usisubium.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yo. That's the reason why I'm seeing new changes now, Bano. A more de. Into Shama, what the young person more can say, see amount pre-settled and also limited leave to remain under the EU settlement scheme now. Caneno, see, I know say after 5 years as a dependent, Ube renewal, I was say we show dependency.
Okay.
But statement of changes or media base say no. Say your amount na say ya no send na nyoma si kono oba be renewal and who here say obesa show dependency for the last 5 years.
Right. Lawyer, me question bi wo ho ansa ne ato aso. Sa EU settlement scheme no. Enti ye ma omo say 5 years. Na one renew no to say.
Yo, the Etienne say EU settlement scheme under the appendix EU no. They have share immigration rules no. Procedure ni say first we are EU and who care for we are EU parent, dependent parent or dependent child, and I say EU house. The Etienne say first we be a fellow EU settlement scheme family permit.
Okay.
Who are outside the UK? What the bar, you be 6 months, they are be.
Okay.
After the 6 months,
Over
6 months, we now have the first 3 months, Now, why be a fellow EU settlement scheme?
Okay.
2 years now, you do 2 months settled, which is the 5 years, and now limited leave to remain, which is the 5 years.
Okay.
Mr. EU for application is different from
skilled worker
immigration rules application.
Other skilled worker no 2.5. They really can the amount.
Depending on other skilled worker, depending on
okay COS, sponsor no.
Okay. We 3 years, 5 years.
Okay.
But COS and the Home Office are making decision. And now we are partner with parent router, no way 2.5. And now private life 2.5. But when it comes to EU, then straight 5 years.
Straight 5 years. Okay.
Parent, dependent child. Into when you have 5 years, and now you're dependent parent, and now say dependent child. Imran say, over for indefinite, because after 5 years, we'll call for indefinite.
Okay.
And now settlement. Or so who call for indefinite and now settlement. Now you're dependent parent or child. Imran from what they ban say, and who here say we show dependency.
Okay.
Home Office are do what to.
All right. Okay.
That's the changes are. You feel say
yo, lawyer, I am for free in a question. Welcome to Legal Matters. Lawyer Francis Wambacho one free.
Master Kwame free.
Master Kwame de be mount a serial caller on. Sense serial killer so. Yo, lawyer Francis wa ha.
Lawyer, no, I know that you're the lawyer. Na me musa answer na answer we be aso ko lawyer.
Ah, you lawyer to manenko.
We go me see a caller and as a killer caller.
Yo, Masa Kwame, lawyer wa ha. Ye tiu.
Yo, me that's it. That means when to me see me lawyer me that's baby. Yo. Lawyer, obviously me when you no bebre ya sabe sa healthcare visa idu mabakrum hanom. Na enema ebinom famu ne emu atete emse sabe. Ye nuane wa wo ka me see die emse bi kora bi beto anim bebre. Na wo nchen ye tibi so na ahomete. Say ade am pese me hunu ne say metua thousands of Ghana cedis or whatever currency every am sponsor am o de me aba bidu. The obligation our year into no ne certificate ni say o djuma o de be money ba ono so buy no sebe onya say djuma na emfa me say ye wa abuse enema bi ana say bi a system na asesa ama nunti no ne contract akofom
nti wonya djuma mo
fulfill the obligations na say no abasa no ebinum de say so mo sponsorship na metua over thousands of Ghana cedis and not even in pounds ama obi say no yes me say kwa sponsorship e wa bra be duru hanum ni para me kwa hwe na say on ma me sponsorship no how is this person going to accept me because me buy an ejuma kra say me ye na metumi sika no ejuma no awase me nya bi nye so where am I going to recruit another money to find a sponsor? And now say metumi sponsor without say enko so me sika no me tuaye e ma sponsor na what me buy.
Right.
That is one question. The second question is
Masa Kwame, bacho yemfa no wamba bako. Na inti yama lawyer and react to the first question no. Semeti wa si ya se obi di namba sponsor the namba obi true ha no. Afi sponsor no se wonya adwuma ma no. Inti se okope sponsor foforo. Na beso hu se sponsor foforo okope no yi se ono no oba e wontimi ma na adwuma onisika. Nti oba den na otimi finance se okope a new sponsor no. Lawyer am saying a question in it.
I'm the DJ KB one man say.
Oh, first question number sir you were going to your second question. And I'm saying you deal with your first question in here.
Can you hold on, let me ask the question please. Ain't you know the American you know say sir idea happy you know. Right. Dear a woman say many sponsor be ono super so cheme say enya dia obetimi akova me because say enye ono na de me buy.
Okay.
And you know first question I completely ewa.
Okay. Yo lawyer timisa the first question no nti say obetimi reacted to that amaya.
Yo me da say DJ can be the master Kwame. Ala Kwame never be over na home office MPT. Yenti America sa no say baby free ba no ni aba be kan. Sponsor le GBC and they be buy. Boss never be break cost no home office nya a taste of faith. I'm also prepared to attack the sponsors. For all you know, wouldn't say you're revoking amount for employers with licenses.
Sure. A woman may come as a baby one of my side not to.
Yes, and all because more promises are more mobile moving juma. Munya juma.
No my home
in the home office no. And yes, reacting towards a lot of things. So they are reacting, but I was so gather evidence react. And normally some revoke employers ne TOS licenses are ye mamu kofa mobile no akwan just say mo kope another employer
Sponsor.
In the home office better say either you switch to another employer or prepare to leave the company. In the whole I was a lawyer. No witness normal the various options available to you. But Mr. Amo, we don't seek legal advice. Because you shouldn't wait till this and tell me home office any need to the extent say this is now yes go fee. You amount time to sort alternative. But that alternative, no, you need to go and see a lawyer. The lawyer will sit you down and give you the various options available to you. But we don't seek advice. We don't seek the way forward. Because they know said definitely they will get a crack employers to do that, making money out of it. But it's a matter of time for them to make sure say my grab or more evidences well before they can revoke someone's license. What I can say is they need to get legal advice. Why?
Lawyer, baby, I can the problem because Obi or one more. Or buy and oversee, say a last or my advice we say home office or my employ a NIPA from in every corner of the language and everything. You know one of my in kind of air. And you know, and everyone has the case in the business say Obi cried will be a bar or which is a Juma crown or man or 1 hour and poor man in ye. But we'll catch and to bet man 1 hour man a year. This will compare a shame be a talk. Na ansana with me day man with the assumption say be if you know over 6 months international driving license, you know.
Master Kwame, and your home Kwana Ubet me consider. There are so many avenues. Also, it all boils down say we don't have the legality, the legalage to know where we are going. That's where lawyer need them. That's where Ube Buki Abehu lawyer. That's where only lawyer bet.
And the problem is because some of my munya reading to omuni capre.
I'm afraid, sir.
Right. How many I'm say I think say Master Kwame the okay there no we were here send here and until because no amabasa no ka de bit man ka send here omonko pay bia legal community legal service senka bia nko mo settle that never got any but they don't qualify for that. And until no, no, any you know, met the orchard nasi or Uniska, Nansono, what me all buy anything. Send your Sabosia and Abe because who can say Uniska and 2 to 1 more. Any Amacas and your cook room. Ain't any
you have to advise about me till I
yeah, lawyer Bram.
And yes, now you have to go and pay a legal fee to get the knowledge. And answer advice, you know.
Okay.
UK government are set up in such a way, sir, or more be a soon in a day.
Okay.
A bit say, yeah, what citizen advice, I'll bet me a call for free and you don't pay. You're not going to get the advice you want from them. And the only other thing now, you need to seek a professional one. He said, to me, who this car, who bet me for legal aid, who bet me for citizen advice.
Okay.
But an only problem is be advice and can open you to citizen advice,
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, I am submitting my time and my energy and I have to make use of it.
Of course.
To render my services, I pay bills, I do all.
Yeah, of course. Of course.
In the referral, there doesn't mean that you need to go and pay for it. There are other legal assistance where you can get it free of charge. Yeah.
All right. Yo. Yeah, that's it. Must have me.
Lawyer, me that because nipa make come as no be brain 80 na be brain show na dream omunya sa professional legal advice na me say a trust move and me that's be lawyer Francis.
Yo.
Person is about between us.
Yo, yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for the call. Yo, lawyer, any to us say update no cry no you say yaje your time ni nyina. But update the one and ever.
And you dear dependent parent and dependent parent and child so uko renewal there is no need for you to show dependency.
Okay.
Good news me feel boy and there are so many things especially English language, mass spreading it up. It used to be limited roots can provide the English language. Omodibi about the kika roots visa roots be to say appendix representative of an overseas business. Appendix T2 tier 2 being Minister of Religion. Appendix UK ancestry, appendix global talent, appendix domestic in a private house, and appendix Hong Kong British national overseas. Such people applications are almost say or some meet English language requirement. First, they don't need to meet it, but they say their account. And what their say good news to our people back home, especially prisons officers. So prisons officers are being made eligible for this route, being the skilled work route, and will be added to appendix occupations, i.e., being shortened occupation list.
Lawyer, wait there, I'm saying, my means you also kakana a tea for
prisons officers, shortage occupation list now a war honor.
All right. Yo, lawyer, number some members say, say a tea for I be a omon a tea actually in the ombetia say, but they be a fair no journey. I say, lawyer can be about shortage occupation list. And no, the children say, in you may be a work room ha or moon any nipa. Enuntino or more nipa from outside the UK. That is shortage occupation list. Inti se who sa occupation no more. Nasa who is sponsor a Juma employer or UK ha na ono amount COS na they have copied sa visa no diaba. Na eno na yesi was the omo dia beka ho ene prison officers. Inti say the China say we need baby or Ghana na or a prison officer or experience and qualification bachelor say I were juma no ni adea or no so no say or mo kwan abeda ho prison officers lawyer ana say na tie na mboa
But you need a sponsor.
Yeah.
You need a sponsor because what the Oma can is Omo introduce way in such a way sponsor who go through the normal sponsorship application. Oh yeah, because I see prison service officers are being made eligible for the skilled worker route. This occupation meets the skilled threshold. Yeah, Oncophobia from MAC, Migration Advisory Committee, or advising government, especially Home Secretary, about the immigration modeba. In Tomoya recommendation to the Home Officer, no, the APA, Parliament. Say a few say this. It is our recommend they need the services of a prison service officer in UK. When it comes to that, normally the public sector, into civil services, and recruit such prison officers.
Okay.
Into everything, the civil services, will be the main employer.
Okay.
So may issue licenses, sponsor licenses, in order for you to get the COS to do the application and come and work in the prison industry.
Yo, lawyer, where do you sorry? That means, so be a prison officer of Ghana. Now, take advantage of this router. So apply to the UK prison service and saying.
So far, the Omodia Bano, Omo Maya Atias, yes, Omo introduce way, Omo anticipate it has to pass through the civil services.
Okay.
It doesn't go straight to the prisons office or the prisons department, and that's a prisons officer. But I know that this is an introduction to the Parliament. Yes. Until much details will come out.
All right.
How to go about it, almost summary change of statement or Mudiabano. Summary or Mudiabano say this occupation meets the skill threshold and workers can be sponsored where the civil servant nationality requirements are met.
Okay.
That tells you that the civil services nationality requirement and no mudi be so edia foul amount for.
Wow. Nationality requirement.
Yo.
Yes, no lawyer, which requirement?
Just say
nationality.
Civil service nationality requirement. Civil service nationality requirement. Normally, a Juma do almost share of background, almost 30 nyoma here few as a civil servant.
Some
one thing I know
nationalities be in Kwan for more and no more.
At the moment, I don't know what they mean by nationality requirement, civil service nationality requirement.
Okay,
until the much details.
Okay, Matthias.
Yes.
Matthias. You're a lawyer. The update in the area. Yo.
Update, the most important ones, but the most important ones, may MP,
Okay.
And in terms of child student, I might introduce you. Bakubia say, oh yeah, now very short courses, i.e. English language. Now they're expecting sponsorship from you, but it doesn't make sense. But Home Office at Tinasiem will say it doesn't make sense. So almost say I might introduce you, but will be a friend third party. Third party could be your parent or other person to sponsor you.
Okay.
Then also only changes. Until we need to take advantage of it. Say, this I was say sponsor one. Third party can sponsor when you are doing the child application. I think that's at the moment the most important ones, And I'm a bro so I feel say a community. But sure, as time goes on, the say ɛde ato edwa ama yenuanom ayɛ aware. Why?
Yo, medasi lawyer, medasi. I ubi se menchia mano. I sister. Mimuni dia na. Anyway, one of your teeth was so by wabuano ama. I ultimate kofa nini aba. Kama inti wadasi. I sister, Miss Lawyer, no.
Anonymous caller, anonymous say you know.
I mean, maybe sananti later no say me himself but say boni dia. O de ye nua baby. Ai ja. Ai nti wo so chia woda ase enso. Na ene yo ene o East London. The lawyer so be East London. Yo now ene health and care worker visa dependent. Lawyer, your time no. Until we there, Senator be about twice next week. Until the end chassis, baby next week near twice. Until health and care worker visa no. Churchly mu say you move on more yenti asia na ene yanti asia crowd. Emrabe and govern that at the end. That's it.
Normally, I not embracing free immigration rules, you know. Specify the sort of people are moving to me. I go into that route, you know. It was the health and care worker category was introduced on the 4th of August 20 as part of the point-based system now more introduced here for individuals who are medical professionals and who will work in the health and care sector in the UK. That's what health and care or more anticipate is or more capture such people being the medical professionals. Because they've opened up medical professionals, any medicine. That's what they are. They did purposely health and care worker route, you know, at the mile or more. Okay. And no, and I feel say any animal every advantage over it. Is under immigration rules are an aspect of the skilled worker route application. The requirement as a health and care worker visa dependent partner and a member.
Okay. I na with a question in about say health and care worker visa. You him say nurses ne carers, but say the outrum say enya no kwa other health professionals nyina betimi e de sa health and care na aba. Yes sir. Since you ever say yes. Laboratory technician omo betimi aba.
Yes, provide
sponsor. Okay.
License.
All right. You, Matthias, a chief for me say you move a billion him say nurses ne carers in Kwan, but you see the actually say yeah, all a health care even professional.
Radiographers, anyone who works within the medical profession can apply, but no, and I was looking for a sponsor while ready so
Okay. All right. Yeah. You. Me that's a lawyer and twaso.
It will share the requirements for health and care. OSHA requirements for health and care worker visa dependent partner. I was the age here 18 years or over. And the partner must hold a health and care worker visa or is applying for entry clearance as a health and care worker at the same time or has settled or has become a British citizen. Providing that your partner's last grant of leave was as a health and care worker before obtaining settlement, and you had permission as a dependent partner at that time. In the requirements, nipa na wujina ne so no the may say at least when you health and care visa and now say or apply on And I say, when ya, Wababetina Kruma was set a fain of his own. So, what they are trying to say is, I was said, when ya, or no, now would you as a dependent partner, no. You was say, you making sure, say, open care work visa, or the higher settlement, and I say, or no apply at the same time.
Okay.
And no idea about when I was here, so. And a beyond so, I was here, say, when in the relationship, no, a genuine and subsisting. Genuine is a demo, and a subsisting is a area, dear coso.
Wow.
Yeah. And another one is you intend to live with your partner in the UK throughout your stay in the UK. Mr. Mo, yen shwen yo maybe ye bana ye beka onene beka ebom na mote ha. Sabe wait ya na wait ya. Because how no person mo chela na say you living together. In the sabana wait ya at least you only maybe abet me aye bet me akọ. One na duo na ko renew. Now home office ka say fa we bra also net fa we bra no want me improve a. Omeka say they don't believe that. Because if you are not married or in a civil partner, you and your partner have been living together in a relationship similar to marriage or civil partnership for at least 2 years, and only cohabitation. And any previous relationship has permanently broken down. Both of you are not so closely related that you would not be allowed to marry or form a civil partnership in a relationship. Indeed, these are the things and requirements I would say we meet in order to make an application as a visa for health and care visa dependent partner. So, next question is, can I bring my children? That tells you, sir, from the dependent partner, we are now coming for dependent children. Now, how do you say, who is a dependent children or child?
Okay.
Dependent child is was or yet under 18 of age at the date of application. Mr. Abuyenson, yes, a dependent child, the neck come. Making sure say the age there under 18 at the date of application.
Okay.
And if you also making sure say your child is not leading an independent life if 16 years old or above. And if you also accommodating and care in the UK will be suitable. Who bet me a guarantee say be dependent here now.
Bringing back the old school sounds.
Your child will be financially supported by you and your partner. There was some who make funds available for that. If your child is born in the UK, your child has a birth certificate showing both parents' name. Ebi amuba mabewo akolawa ha. No so no move to me a dependent child no under the health and care visa number. Mr. Mo, my adwin ensi no baby so say yes sir mo the health and care visa number mabewo akola mo expect say akola no be British ni. Mr. Mo Entisa, unless I'm a work na applicant, and as the main applicant, no are settled that. That's that. So unsettled ya, there Mukanua Bina, I was a Kulanikuta. She said, be a cut 2 years, I cut 1 year now. I was some way application. Chimuko renew na money na akwa renew. Yen ka say ya work plan one the different preference there be. Omo de mra en the year juma. Akola falling within the mra say o deserve British citizen na. Omo de bema no.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. And I say a biomusuno, your partner health and care visa, work visa, is applied at the same time as settled or is a British citizen. If your partner is settled or a British citizen, your partner must have had leave as a health and care worker when settled, and you and your child must have had permission as a dependent child at that time. And then lastly, you and your partner must each be applying at the same time or have permission to be in the UK. And then I may explain, The only exception is that your partner is the sole surviving parent or has sole responsibility for the child's upbringing or the serious and compelling circumstances. No one shifted law when it comes to such a situation, because I see exception to the law. In Tiana, can say be our akolano na aka 2 years, so aka 2 years, 1 year. Who apply for dependent child now? They act and no any of the akolana wagun okroman.
Right.
Unless I was settled, and now why a British? On that note, Akolano bet to me I a British. It will come out.
All right. Right, lawyer. Say ene ahana yedi ene die no besi na next week you beto aso say your time no ko na maybe say one question na yedi ewie say question ya masa kwa maybe say no ma mbi so edina no atum because it's because those people don't have money say omobaye omunyes yentimi mo madwuma na say abana say omonkope sponsor yi na mbisi bia ko hu lawyer no ade na mbese mbisa say obi etu kwan saa no na ne ho akire no saa no Ghana High Commission wo UK ha omutimi boa ekwan bi so ana safui. But yeah, I'm sorry saying we saw about one more but ebia say who idea bi wo ho a let me say I know so there is not part of today's questions, but I just said it in passing. Say if you know anything about senior or mono or musi or monema say or more provide support to Ghanaians in this kind of circumstances.
Definitely. They have a welfare department under the Ghana High Commission.
Oh, okay, welfare department.
Was because they have counseling as well.
Okay. Right.
Definitely.
I'm waiting me about.
Okay.
Yeah.
We need to make use and take advantage of our high commissions and the embassies in the country, wherever we are, because they are there to support and back us up when we are in need of.
Yeah.
Why?
Yo. Mira sepa lawyer Francis atiefo a topic in so mo say ya fikura na shas enti ye beto aso nyame adoma next week. Enti video you will be live for a long time on Facebook and YouTube. And still you can keep sharing the link to anytime be click on the link. I'll be to me I share video EBM. Lawyer Nyamishrao na lawyer Francis contact information and a wall screen to see so we hear more office number no 0208 016 5384. That is 0208 016 5384. I ena omo address no omo unit A the print house 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, London, E8 3 Delta Lima. That is Echo 8 3 Delta Lima. I from more sana manuswa ombepwao. I your friends Nyamisha Nyamia Duma next week so yabesan aba wakachi na ebetwa ene enkomo so. Medasi.
Yeah. Yo, mention me that say a tier for your cramo, WISEMART solicitors, your best share.
Right.
DJ KB, yeah, that's it. Bye bye.
Bye bye. I chief for lawyer more or more contact in a war screen so now you can take a screenshot your mobile phone so here or more obey me after or more. I have and care for my asemo. But mom paba mom paba. I think say kakra meet can say ebusia ye ha no ebi ombesua ye no say yen crofo bi was situation no we should do our best to help them. We should do our best to assist them. And a lawyer can say, well, legal advice no be free, but no citizens advice. I wait me approach you mono I say wait me up wawa. So uti ne say wait me boa then what do nyame say enkobane sa ne say ABS okuhun lawyers na uti omo fika no boa na eja senka busuafo bi so betimi aso mu a support a ke no so bepoa because ebusua wonipa no ebia waboka ansa no obedru ha no enya de ketwa enti se ye ka se ye support wo mo na ye hwe wo mo saa ma sebi bia nyame mpamu ya san de o makofi a wa hwa nse enye asempapa waboka da ansa no obedru na ye san o san konsapan enye ade a eye enika kra enti support bia ye so ebetimi da support wo mo no ena mebisa actually I say Ghana High Commission so bia almost wo mo bia omo betimi e de apoa Ghana fo a almost wan ka adwam e wo saa kwan so a na lawyer say Ghana High Commission omo some welfare department binti saa fo no betimi akotra hwe eja ko na ko fie wasem go say ni we Ghana ni say situation na akom na wo hia mo no ahwese also no ebia omobetimi aboa ekwan bi so a ebia otie kra na so kra na ya fa odwum mo ho a ene ya misremu madwenchire na ese ebia unyam ya sia ba hwe osa kwan no so yo abusia hana ni jumadi ebisi nanso sai jumadi every Wednesday pia about 7 UK time the jumadi ebremo top online radio UK enti channel so ba line so now subscribe to our pages no share o subscribe or senate bia no ye ba live you'll be notified media DJ KB me rent to be sir. This program is proudly sponsored also by Certified Accountants Limited. Ghana for accountants omo UK ha. Bibiara fa account and tax ho. More property business. More de dahin ha no na ade no. Almost more very important advice man. Contact them regarding capital gains tax. Capital gains tax. Say what done our ton abano say the increase in the value of the property no ono share. Capital gains tax ni nchire mu titia no. Nti say one hwe ni maybe ya obaton odan no. Maybe you may have to be paying something like £30,000 out of profit obenya odan so no back to the government. 10,000 very be nanso no certified accountant say we see and tricky sibium And yeah, say, oh, yeah, quite bonus. No, mum, if there be tax planning. Utim she shall near me ya. Bema, about me a boy, ama, so what tongue down crown. Capital gains tax, ube tiano. A beco form amount. A busia so on him say a dance so dear, and never near high. Inti, slight tax relief, you bet me, it can save you probably 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 or even more. Inti, emfeniacro. Certified accountants or my business net tax one you may be a sir workers super so ye payroll mamo pay slips then moya watch ma person register or company or business or you can person company details then person set up a recruitment agency a care staffing agency then moya home at the number 0208 226 4933. That is 0208 226 4933. I from Monaca's certified accountants and recommend you more a page you pa Abusia and Yesawo BNG digital flyers. BNG digital flyers. I am sure almost so. Ghana for I almost omojuma say flyers. I did ball a juma home event home almost so a one dear pa. Almost say almost flyers dear be clear. And he say oh here social media flyers, business flyers, event flyers. Say Yamia Adam when you are yet and now couldn't be no one invitation digital flyers for your event, your wedding. Bibia betting me I am. Contact information. No, you can take a screenshot on your mobile, but for the sake of those listening to us on the app, I will repeat it for you. And they are at 54 Wexham Road, Slough, Berkshire, Sierra Lima 1 Romeo November. That is SL1 1 Romeo November. Omo telephone number no so I mean fa enka na otimia from 0745 969 5191. That is 0745 969 5191.